86,400. That's right, 86,400 seconds and opportunities is what each of us has every single day to do our best with. My name is Scott Hembro from Hembro Business Systems, and we know selling has changed. We started out and we had the digital revolution that changed everything. Then we got COVID, and COVID has changed everything. We've got online shopping, we've got shopping from home, we got online buying, we got different techniques for picking up and delivering for service. We've got all kinds of different things that have come into it. But you know what? We still hear stories about salespeople selling 20, 30, 40 units a month. What we don't hear is salespeople selling 20, 30, 40 units a month from lot traffic. These salespeople have learned how to build their own book of business. According to Automotive News, the average salesperson sells 9.8 units a month. But you know what? It was the same thing 10 years ago, 15 years ago, 20 years ago. So it's time to teach our salespeople to be less dependent on lot traffic. We need to teach them how to market themselves so they're creating business. Teach them how to build their own book of business. Facebook. There's so many opportunities with Facebook, and most salespeople are just scratching the surface with it. Facebook Marketplace is a great place to sell cars if you know how to list them. Facebook groups. There's so many groups in every area that we can get into, and it's about teaching them how to brand themselves, how to use YouTube. Videos are so powerful and they're so unused. Video reviews are 10 times more powerful than just a picture. We can buy cars by using videos, different messages that we can say that'll interest people in coming in and giving you an opportunity, but it's going to teach them how to be less dependent on lot traffic. Now I do it by doing it two ways. I have a classroom and I have one-on-one time. We start with the classroom. Now remember, this is a virtual program as well as an in-dealership program. I go through the ideas. I share the techniques on how to do these things. I go through what's in it for me. Consequently, we get buy-in from them, which is the key. From there, I go one-on-one with each salesperson. They have 2 one-hour sessions, and I actually get them started on things. I help them set up their Facebook. I help them create their own YouTube channel. Every salesperson is different, so they got different strengths and different weaknesses. But the key is to get them to do things. We want to teach the salespeople how to come to work, not come to work to wait for the floor traffic. We hear this all the time. What is the new normal going to be? It's time to create your own new normal. The new normal. Leads generated by salespeople convert 7 times more than company leads do. The new normal. We know this one. Salespeople who use social media outsell their peers by 78%, according to Forbes. Years ago, I heard a trainer by the name of Joe Calloway when I was a Buick dealer, and he was great. He's got a bunch of great books, but he did a program on DK versus DE. DK, deficiency of knowledge. DE, deficiency of execution. It's great to teach them things, but it's more important to get them to do the things that we actually taught them how to do. And this program, that's what it's going to do. It's going to get them to do things. That's where the one-on-one time comes in. It's a very upbeat, positive, and today they need positive attitudes and positive reinforcement wherever they can get it. Because we know that's a thing that's going to help us to move the 8-car-a-month person to 10 cars a month, the 10 to 12-car-a-month person up to 15 units a month. Now again, it's available as virtual training or in dealership training. So now's the time to act, Mr. Dealer. Teach them how to build their own book of business. Don't you be the one that's got the deficiency of execution. It's time to train them now how to build their own book of business. I am Scott Hembro, Hembro Business Systems, 815-978-5038.